All right, folks, we're going racing. Less than 5. One of the white cars in the lead. Got 2 white cars in this race. Oh, one of them going off course. So that is going to leave Mark Barbosa with the race lead. Theo and 2 called by Hart, Milo, Beth, and Joe. Go. Oh, what happened? 45 seconds in. Oh, one down up front. Thank you, Dave. Yeah, no worries. Thank you, Dave. So, and this is all the melee. We got Theo Lynn out front by 4 seconds. Theo Lynn sticking to the game plan. Now he is getting smaller in the windshield. Mark Barbosa to the 2 spot, followed by Joe, Marshall, and Ben. Not sure what happened to Milo's car. Now put 30 down, 3:30 to go. Oh, yeah, wow. Mark Barbosa is taking chunks out of this lead. Careful, turn 1, guys, turn 1. That's clear. Oh, 1 4 seconds, down to 2.9. Let's see what it is here. 2.1. Oh, Barbosa up our good for a moment. I got hold. And go. Gotta make sure the gap is not any closer than the one before. This time by Theo and Mark, about 3.5 apart. All right, 220 down, 240 to go. So this time by Theo and Mark, 2.8 is the gap. I'm Mark about 4 seconds into Joe. Joe's 5.5 ahead of Ben. Last time by. Oh, this time by Joe and Ben, just 3.5 apart. All right, 245 down, 215 to go.
I heard that.
Oh, Theo getting it wrong. Hartwell right now in the middle of a leader sandwich. 3 down, 2 to go. So we get an opportunity to just let that white car pass when he gets there.
I'm going to order Sophia nut.
Got a minute 45 to go. Good teamwork, guys. Battle for the lead is close. This time I feel Mark 1 second apart. Got Joe about 7 seconds back. Joe is 2 ahead of that. 8 ahead of Hartwell. Got a minute 25 remaining. Closest battle here. Onto the back straight. Theo versus Mark. 7 tenths is the gap. Minute 15 to go. Well, Theo overjumps it. And okay. So it's going to be Mark taking over the top spot right now. 7 tenths the other way now, Mark. Just ahead of Theo. 50 seconds remain, drivers. 0.7 between Mark and Theo. 0.9 is the gap. Oh man, that's car is the favorite. That's going to promote Joe Wilson up to that third podium spot. Go. 20 seconds to go. Got intermediate up next.
Oh, what happened? It just stopped. You saw it, right?
Maybe either center or one of the wires came unsoldered or something. That's maybe what I'm thinking. I doubt it's a pinion. The pinion's been fine all day. We'll see. Not a big deal.
Well, I think I was in third, right?
You were for a little while, yeah.